let's solve this question. It reads, do the circles of these equations touch? If so, in what way? So let's do that. Solution. Solution. Good. So this is my circle. Let's say this is my first circle. So let's say circle A. This is my second circle. So let's say circle B. And this is my center. This is my center. Remember, these circles are not drawn to scale. Okay. So what are you going to do? We are going to find the center of each circles and the radius also of each circles. So we are going to get those things from the equations which is being given. So let's do that for the first circle. That's circle A. X minus 1 squared plus y minus 1 squared equals 9. Then you write the standard form of equation of a circle, and it is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared all equals r squared. After this, you are going to compare. So let's compare the negative 1 and the negative h by equating them. So negative 1 equals negative h. H therefore becomes positive 1. The same thing applies to this. Negative 1 equals negative k. Our k becomes also positive 1. Remember that center is in the form hk. That's when the equation is in the standard form. So hk. So the center will be what? 1, 1. Now the radius. R2 equals 9. So r squared equals 9. How do you get the r? You square root both sides. So our r is therefore 3. Square root of 9 is 3. So for the first circle A, the center is C. So C. So this r is being done. So C 1, 1. And the radius is 3. So r equals the radius is 3. Good. Now let's move on to the second circle. So the second circle too, we are going to do the same thing. X minus 5 squared plus x minus 5 squared plus y minus 4 squared equals 4. Good. So we are going to write the standard form of equation under it. X minus a squared plus y minus k squared all equals 4. So all equals 4 by here it will be r squared. So all equals r squared. Good. So we are going to compare. So negative 5 equals negative h. So h therefore becomes positive 5. And also the k, negative 4 equals negative k. So k therefore becomes 4. Now the radius. So radius r squared equals 4. So you square root both sides. So r therefore becomes positive 2. Good. So remember, center is the form hk. So our center will become h is 5, so 5, k is 4. So our center is 5, 4. So the center is 5 and what? 4. So 5, 4. That's the coordinate. And the radius, we have 2 for the radius. So r equals what? 2. So that's good. Okay, so after getting this, we are going to sum the radius. We are going to sum the two radii. That's the first radius, the radius for circle A and the radius for circle B. So let's do that. So R1, the radius for the first circle, plus R2, the radius for the second circle. We are going to get 3 plus 2, which will in turn give us 5. After that, you are going to check the distance from the center of the first circle to the center of the second circle. You are going to check the distance. So if the distance, you get the same value as the sum of the two radii, then your circle touches externally. So let's check. So the center 1 center what? Center 1, center 2, the distance formula. Let's do it. So from center 1 to center 2, the distance formula is x2 minus x1 all squared plus y2 minus y1 also all squared. So that's the formula. So center 1, center 2. First of all, we need x2, x1, y2, y1. So let's write the data for it first. So let's use this as the first point. So x1 will be 1, y1 also will be 1. Now second point, so x2 will be 5 and y2 also will be 4. Let's see where it's 4. It's 4. Good. So after doing this, you can plug in the values. So let's do that. Let's plug in the values. So x2 minus x1, x2 is 5, 5 minus x1 is 1, you square it plus y2 is what? 4, 4 minus y1 is 1, so minus 1, you square that. So 5 minus 1, we are going to get 4, and 4 squared is 16. So 16 plus 4 minus 1 is 3, and 3 squared is what? 9. Good. So 16 plus 9, we're going to get 25. So square root of 25. And square root of 25 is what? 5. So the distance will be 5 units. So from the center 1 to the center 2, center 1 to center 2, the distance is 5 units. From here to this center, the distance is what? 5 units. So since the distance from center 1 to center 2 is equal to the radius of the first circle plus the radius of the second circle, which will give you 5. All of them will give you 5. This shows that. So this shows that the circles touch externally. Let me show you how it is being done. Let me show you this. So let me show you this. So now your circle is touching. So now your circle A with this center with a radius of 3 is now touching this circle with center of a radius of what? 2. 3 plus 2 is 5, and the distance between this center with coordinate 1, 1, and with this center with coordinate 5, 4 will also give you what? 5. So this shows that these two circles of this equation touches externally. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed this video.